Are you feeling stressed by work and life in general? Lacking energy? Bloated? Unable to sleep properly? Do you find it difficult to eat healthily and exercise regularly? Because right now, everything seems to be getting on top of you. When you feel like this, it affects your health and your relationships, both in your personal and professional life. And relationships are the single most important ingredient for a successful, thriving business. You know that you need to make some changes, but there's so much conflicting advice out there, it's difficult to know what to do and who to listen to. When you work with me, you'll have access to my years of experience in science and education. I'll make sense of the contradictions and confusions to help you put together a clear, understandable plan for changes that will make a real difference. Just imagine waking up tomorrow morning and feeling like you did when you were 22, energised, motivated, bursting with creativity and ready to take on the world. Intrigued? Contact me today for a confidential chat. I'm looking forward to helping you.